How to delete apps on iPhone. 3 easy methods. Need to delete an app from your iPhone, whether it's on your home screen, app library, or you can't delete it because the option is missing. I'll show you 3 easy ways to remove any app. Let's get started. Method 1. Delete from the home screen or app library. Find the app you want to delete. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Tap Remove App. Next, tap Delete App. Then tap Delete again to confirm. The app will be removed from your iPhone. If you don't see the Delete App option, don't worry. Try the next method. Method 2. Delete apps from iPhone storage. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Wait for the list of apps to load. You'll see all of your installed apps, along with how much storage each one uses. Select the app you want to remove, for example, Instagram. Tap Delete App. Keep in mind that deleting an app this way removes the app along with its documents, data, and cache stored on your device. If you're sure, tap Delete App again to confirm. Method 3. Fix Can't Delete Apps on iPhone. If neither of those methods works, screen time restrictions may be preventing you from deleting apps. Go back to Settings, open Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is enabled, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Next to deleting apps, make sure it's set to Allow. If it's set to Don't Allow, you won't be able to delete any apps. You can also disable content and privacy restrictions entirely if you no longer need them. You may be asked to enter your screen time passcode. Once you've changed the setting, try deleting the app again. And that's it. Those are 3 simple ways to delete apps on your iPhone, even if the delete option isn't showing.